Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to keep your house and your dishes clean without scratching? I want to show you these Scotch-Brite sponges. These are an all-purpose kitchen sponge and I really like these. So they are a sponge that holds up for quite a while, which I like. They don't just like disintegrate on you. And I like that it has this scrubby side here. So you can see that it has this sort of fibrous side to it. And this does an awesome job at just removing stuck on food particles or whatever you're cleaning up. It just makes really quick work of it. So I also like that these sponges are kind of shaped like your hand. So they're very comfortable to use and they just feel good when you are working with them. Even if you're doing a lot of dishes or a lot of cleanup, this really does a great job and feels comfortable the whole time. So I really like these sponges. I think they last for a long time. And while they are tough, they do not scratch. So you can actually use this with your nonstick cookware and things like that. And overall, they just do a great job at helping me to keep things clean. And that's my point of view.